Hi, I'm Mohammad Tabriz. So this is my wife Sufia. We have been blessed with beautiful baby girl, Inara Ayat, on 17th of November 2020.
I actually conceived after a long struggle due to PCOS, and I got to know that I have conceived in April 2020. It was a time during which the whole world was going crazy due to COVID. It was absolutely terrifying and stressful. The most crazy thing was that no local doctor or hospital was available to even conduct the basic test to confirm my pregnancy. During such time, I actually texted Dr. Sabha, and she immediately responded and she asked me to meet her. That's when I came to motherhood, and the same day I heard my baby's magical heartbeat. It was a very overwhelming experience because after 5 years of struggle and patience, I finally had my miracle in me. And I remember after that, I took my reports to Dr. Sabha, and she just jumped off her seat and she hugged me, and we both just looked at each other and started giggling. That is my amazing doctor for you. She is someone who will be happy in our happiness and someone who will worry more than us during our difficult times.
And motherhood made us feel at ease at once with the safety measures, care, and attention given, which was immaculate.
Motherhood made another thing very easy, that was doctor's availability via video call. So I hardly, because of the COVID situation, I hardly came to the hospital. Dr. Sabha was available via video call. She was even, she had given her personal number to us, and she was always a text away. Even the most minute of the concerns, I would text to her and she would immediately reply. She was so prompt. At the end of my pregnancy journey, I was diagnosed with low amniotic fluid level, because of which I had to get induced. Again, that was like really scary for me. After such a long struggle, I had conceived, and it was really stressful. Then again, I had made a long list of questions, and I went to Dr. Sabha, and I asked her, okay, number one, what will happen if this, with this, how will you induce? What are the negatives? What are the positives? So she just patiently sat with a smile and answered each and every query of mine. The day I got induced, throughout the night, two special people I would definitely like to mention. One is Nurse Shalini and Dr. Nadia. Dr. Nadia, oh my God, it was her encouragement that actually kept me going through. At the end, when things got hard, I just kept staring at her face. She had to leave the labor room for a while, and I was like, no, please don't go. I need to look at you to keep going. And she just helped me breathe through it and get me through that time. After birth, the nurses, everyone, they took very good care of me. There were a number of specialists who visited me, which was unbelievable. There was a physiotherapist, nutritionist. A special shout out to the lactation consultant, Dr. Aruna. She really helped me. She was like a lifesaver. The amazingly talented Dr. Sampath. He is such a pediatrician that now I cannot even imagine any other pediatrician for my daughter. He's so good. And the last day when we were leaving, we were showered with gifts, lots of gift hampers, and there was this adorable photo shoot that was done, which was unbelievable. Just looking at my daughter like that, it was like that memory still, I think it'll be forever stuck in my mind. That was really special. And the cake cutting ceremony made me very emotional. All the arrangement with the balloons and the cake, the way they celebrated my child's arrival, it was amazing. The whole journey, motherhood, hats off to motherhood. Hats off to the way they conduct everything, to the attention that they give. I felt not just cared for, I even felt respected. They made sure before doing anything, they would ask my permission, come to me, ma'am, are you all right? Can we come now? And often at times I would be like, I want to sleep, come later. So all that was done. So they respected all that. So it was just amazing.
for motherhood
Yeah.
and all the staff belonging to motherhood HRBR for being diligent for everything they did.
Yeah.
And we also like to thank Mrs. Rama for all the support and help she provided from management perspective. And we thank a lot for motherhood HRBR for everything.
Thank you.